Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everybody, this is your teacher Ahlam Abu Juda. In this online lesson, we will be revising what we have learned previously about adjectives and adverbs. So please open your student book, page 151, Unit 12, the body beautiful. Open grammar page, which is about adjectives and adverbs. So let's first start doing exercises A, B, C, and D. Then we will going to talking about two small but very important and common English words, so and such. So let's start with exercise A. Read and underline the adjectives in the sentences. My mom has a beautiful red Italian car. What a horrible huge straw hat. Jenny gave me a gorgeous white woolen scarf. Now, where's the adjectives? What are the adjectives here? So let's underline the adjectives together. The first one, beautiful. This is an adjective. Red, also another adjective. Italian. So in the first sentence, we have three adjectives. The second one, horrible, huge, straw. Okay, and the last one, Jenny gave me a gorgeous, wonderful white woolen scarf. So we have here 9 adjectives in these 3 sentences. Now let's check our answers. Yes, we have 3 adjectives in each sentence. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise B. Read the sentences in A again and answer the questions. My mom has a beautiful red Italian car. What a horrible huge straw hat. Jenny gave me a gorgeous white woolen scarf. Number 1. Which adjectives describe opinion? So, as you remember, we talked previously about the types of adjectives. We said that we have opinion adjectives, we have color, origin, size, material. Okay, so let's here choose the best answer here. So which adjectives describe opinion in these sentences? Yes, the first one, beautiful. It's correct. Horrible, yes. And the last one, gorgeous. So we have 3 opinion in this sentence. Now, the second one. Which adjectives describe color? We have 2 adjectives that describe color. We have red in the first sentence. In the second sentence, we don't have any colors. The last one, we have white, red and white. So we have 2 colors. Which adjective describe origin or the nationality? Just we have Italian car. We don't have any other adjectives that describe the origin or the nationality. 4. Which adjective describes size? Yes, correct, huge. Just here we have in the second sentence, huge, very big, to describe the size. Yes, huge. 5. Which adjectives describe material? We have 2 adjectives. Okay, it is straw, which made of straw, and woolen, made of wool. The last one, do adjectives of opinion come before or after other kinds of adjectives? What do you think? Do you remember this rule when we talked about the adjective order in the sentence? Yes, it comes before other kinds of adjectives. So it becomes before the other types or kinds of adjectives. We have first the opinion here. Look at the beautiful, horrible, gorgeous. These are opinion. So they come before the other type of adjectives. Okay, before the color, before the nationality, before the origin, before the size, before the material. Yes, so before the other types of adjectives. Let's check our answers. Yes, all of them are correct. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Read the sentences and complete the rule below by choosing the correct endings. A. Basketball is a very tiring sport. B. They're tired because they've been playing basketball. Adjectives that end in ing or ed describe the effect something can have on someone. We said that before, right? Adjectives that end in ing or ed describe how someone feels. Okay, now which one that describe the effect something can have on someone? Is it the adjective that end with ing or the adjectives that end with ed? Yes, the adjectives that end with ing describe the effect something can have on someone. Okay, ing. So here we have ing, the first one. And the second one, adjectives that end in ing or ed describe how someone feels. When you talk about your feelings, do you use the adjective with ing or with ed? Yes, with ed to describe your feelings. Okay, now let's check our answers. Yes, they are correct. Now let's move on to the next one. Exercise D. The last exercise that we have to do today in this book together. Then inshallah we will move to the new topic. Adverbs give us information about how, where, when, how often, and to what degree something happens. Do you still remember this point? Yes? Look at these sentences and the adverbs in bold and answer the questions below. The little boy wrote his name carefully. Our PE teacher left yesterday. My granddad is quite fit. I often go to the gym opposite my house. Which adverb is used to answer the question? How? Which adverb is used to answer the question? How? Which one? We learned this in the previous video. Yes. Carefully. Yes. Quickly. The second one, where? Which one which adverb is used to answer the question where? Yes, we have opposite. Yes, when? Quickly. Yes, it is yesterday. How often? Often. To what degree? It is quite. Now let's go to the next rule, which is about so and such. So and such, we often use so and such to mean very or really. It makes the sentence stronger and adds emphasis to the sentences. So these words can be used in many different ways in English, but in this lesson, we're going to know how they add emphasis to your sentences, so how they make the meaning stronger. Look here, look at this table. We use the word so with adjective and adverb without a noun. So we use so with adjective or adverb, but without a noun. Look at this example. It was so windy yesterday. It was so windy yesterday. So it goes with windy. And it comes before the adjective. Your brother can run so fast. Your brother can run so fast. Again here, so goes before the adverb fast. We use such a or such. This word such, we can say we use the word such, or we can say such a or such plus a noun. But here I make it so easier for you. So easy for you. Such a plus adjective it's optional. Sometimes we have an adjective or not, plus singular noun, and we can use such without an article a with a plural noun. So here, focus that we have to use such with a noun. We have to use such with a noun, okay? And you have to be careful because the noun can actually include adjectives and adverbs in it. So you have to look carefully for a noun. If you simply look at the word that is following so or such, you might make a mistake. So be careful. Why? Maybe you think that when you have to look for it clever before you look to the noun boy. So you think that this come with clever, not with boy. So be careful here while doing or answering the question that has such or so. Okay, so we have here more examples. Before we go to the examples here, look at this example. Her brother is such a clever boy. So such come with boy. Such a clever boy to means very clever boy. They are such nice people. Such without a. Here we have such a because the boy here is singular. And they are such nice people. Such comes before people without a because it is a plural. They are such nice people. They are very nice people. Okay, so here we have more examples about using so, and we have some examples using such. So you can read them to practice using so and such more. And here we have an exercise. Please try to do it after you study this worksheet very well. This is very simple rule. Try to focus on such and such a, to put such before a plural noun and such a before a noun, and so don't forget to put it before an adjective or an adverb without a noun. So before an adjective or an adverb before a noun, such before a plural noun, and such a before singular noun. Okay, this is all what we have for today. Now let's go to this exercise E again, to your student book, page 151. Let's do the exercise E. We use so and such for emphasis. Look at these sentences and answer the questions below. Looking after your health is so important. Oranges are such a good source of vitamin C. Number 1. What part of speech follows so? Look at this sentence. What part of speech follows so? Yes, exactly. It's an adjective. Important. It's an adjective. So, it's an adjective. 2. What parts of speech follow such? Look at such here, this word. What we have part of speech after such? A good source of vitamin C. Yes, it is an article a. We have here an article a, and we have the noun source. We have an article and a noun. Okay, so it goes, as we said, such it goes before the noun. Don't forget this. Now check our answers; they are correct. Let's go to exercise F. Complete the sentences with adjectives in brackets. Here we have to do this exercise that reminds us with the adjectives and the types of adjectives. How can we order the adjectives in the sentence according to its type? Julie has space hair, blonde, lovely, short. Okay, so blonde, lovely, short. What is the first word that you have to put here? What is the first adjective? Okay, sorry. Yes. Now here we have to put first the opinion, lovely. Okay, then we have short and blonde. Short and blonde. Blonde, it's a color. Short, it's a size. So we have to put the opinion first, lovely. Then the size, short, and the color at the end, blonde. So we can say Julie has lovely short blonde hair. Yes. 2. Lisa bought some space boots. We have here Italian leather new. She bought some Italian leather new. So we have here Italian, the nationality or origin. Leather, we have a material, and new, which is the age. So we have to put first the age, new, then the nationality or origin, and the material, leather. So new Italian leather boots. I saw a or an space statue. Amazing, huge, marble. I saw. So here we have amazing, which is an opinion. Huge, we have the huge size. Marble, it's a material. So I saw an amazing huge marble. The same order here. I saw an amazing huge marble. Yes. 4. What a or an space ring, diamond, expensive, pink. What a diamond or expensive or pink. We have here pink color. Expensive, it's an opinion. Diamond, it's a shape. So first we have to put the opinion, expensive. Then we have to put the color, and at the end the shape. So what an expensive pink diamond ring. What an expensive pink diamond ring. We sat around the space table, large, round, wooden. So here, large, we have here size, round, it's a shape, and wooden here, material. So first we have to put the size, large, round, the shape, and then at the end, wooden, which is a material. So we sat around the large, round, wooden. Okay, all of them are correct. Now, this is all what we have for today. For exercise G and exercise H, you have to do it as a homework, please. And try after you finish, please try to send it to me on the private message. Then after you finish, do the exercises A and B in your workbook. Look at your workbook here. Grammar. Here we have exercise A and B. Please try to do them and send it to me. Thanks a lot for your great listening. If you have any questions for anything you want, you can send to me anytime. And have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.